Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Mike Monroe here, and today, guys, we are playing go little Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm just gonna play around a couple games, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the games. Peace. Yeah, let's go. So I'm playing hands for teams. We got Leatherface and Hitchy, and here's the perks I'm running and the build I'm running. Oh shit, wrong goddamn thing. I forgot to hold it. But yeah. I just felt like doing the little game of Texas because the game is not getting more updates. So I was like wondering why should we just do a couple things on Texas? Because this game, one of my favorites honestly, but what do we? Yeah, I don't think Hitchy's probably gonna trap the fuse, and he's still on that side of the map. No fuse there, so it's probably in the house. So here? Nope, so it's over here. You want to know the 3 spawn locations in this map? It's here, the back of Grandpa's shack, and right in that little area right there. So yeah, little tip I guess is where's Hitchy? Still over that side? Yes, he is. Okay, I'll stay on this side then. Don't break this barricade over here. Well, look at the fit, bro. Look at the fit, though. All greened out, you know what I'm saying? You killing someone? Yep. I'm really just staying on generator side, but who's that chicken off? Was that Hitchy? Why is this chicken going crazy? Because of Hitchy, duh. I'm gonna go check battery. That's good. That's good. So basically the best way to play hands, I'll teach you guys how to play hands. The best way to play hands is really just keep near your traps. And just really always rip stall. Never rip stall like valve or whatever. Always rip stall like fuse. Mostly fuse and like generator and stuff like that. Those are the things you really want to worry about. And don't collect blood at all, really. Except if you kill someone, and then you can feed Grandpa, but again, I only have like 95 blood, and that doesn't really fucking matter. That's still locked. That's still locked. They're playing this very stealthy, and Hitchy is downstairs for some reason. Great. Love my life. Nope. I mean, I don't mind staying upstairs this long. I'm a hand, so like one of the best characters to stay upstairs the whole entire game. Easily one of the best characters. That's still trapping. That's trapping. Ooh, wait, I thought that was open for a millisecond. That scared me. From the lighting, bro. Okay. That's still trapping. Yes, this has been a very... Are y'all just downstairs? That's still trapping. Did I hear someone? I hear someone. I knew I heard you. This is a great camera angle game. It's a fantastic camera angle. I love looking at plants or grass. Can this animation end? Jesus Christ. Longest animation of all time. Alright. Huh. Big brain. Let's go around. Alright, there we go. What's this smoke? What the hell? Who DC'd? Oh, Virginia DC'd. Alright, well, GG's. First game on. Okay. I'll see you guys in game 2. Game 2. Here are my perks, and here's the loadout I'm doing, and my everything else. Let's go. I would break that barricade over there, but that takes a long time, so we're just gonna go the long way here, or the shortcut way. You're gonna see some kills. Yep. Okay. That was easy. Wow, that was one of the quickest kills of all time. Okay. Sorry, Virginia. Sorry, not sorry. You know what I mean? Sorry to not sorry. Anyone over here? Nope. They don't have a door yet. I'm gonna stay down here for a little while. So you want to just keep revving your chainsaw, really, like, this basically just like this. There's like really nothing else to do. Just keep an eye on your rev in the bottom right of your screen. Basically all you really need to do. If you just know by the sound of it, you don't really need to keep eyeing on it. I'm actually gonna break this now, though. Yeah. Oh, they have a door open. I don't. They're probably all upstairs now. Actually, I didn't find anyone else though. Oh shit, that lag. What the hell? I've been lagging all day. Oh, there it is again. What are you doing? You should have done the thing, you dumbass. Why is she so slow? Oh, she is, you know, I'll let you do that, sissy. You probably can kill him faster than me. Alright. Alright, that's locked. We're gonna break this barricade in the middle here. You really just want to stay in family focus when you're playing Leatherface, because you can hear the tiny noises of, like, victims stalking. You always want to check tall grass, too. What are you doing, Cook? That's still locked. Everything is pretty damn locked down right now. Well, you never know. They're definitely gonna play the stealthy game here. I might. No, I won't peek Grandpa. Well, no, I'm not gonna peek Grandpa because we have Anna. She's definitely gonna use her power, so I want to get all the strength I can get. I would love to. Where's the fuse at? Actually, come think of it. It's in Johnny's shack. Okay. It's a really good map for Leatherface though, because it's so open, so you can really get around the map really quickly. Check around here, maybe anything? No. Cook should really be starting pinging people. That would be really nice. Start pinging people, Cook. That'd be lovely. Cause I got the house pretty locked down right now, so. Oh, hi, Connie. Wait it out. There we go. That was basically the idea, is wait for her to well. So I can get down here before she actually have time. Never mind, the door's fucking closed. Great. Love my life. She in cap? Nope. Why'd you go this way? That's the worst. Hey, you're dead now, I think. Oh, you're a god. Why would you heal there? That was the worst idea, bro. But nice, bro. Let's go. Yeah, just Anna left. I've not seen Anna this whole entire game, so... yeah, lovely. I'm not gonna worry about these doors. I don't know. I'll be Grandpa. Why not? I haven't seen this fucking Anna this older game. Downstairs time, bitch. Go, 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 go. Why is every single door closed? I think I know where that well is. It's over here, I think. She would have fell right here. I'm guessing she probably went this way. There we go, that's what I like to see, baby. Oh, she's on top of the house. There we go. Oh! Clothesline. Now GG's. Good game, bro. Good game. Here, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. And have a good night, guys. Peace.